Afternoon, Glenda.
Henry Ford getting that green light partially because they've got the equipment. So explain to us just how important it is to get that temperature right for these vaccines.
Absolutely, Glenda. So both Pfizer and Moderna's vaccine candidates, we've talked about this, are temperature sensitive, right? And they need to be transported and stored at extremely cold temperatures to retain their potency, their effectiveness. If you don't do that, they become ineffective and inactive. So it's great that Henry Ford Health System has purchased and received 6 specialized freezers that could hold both the Pfizer and Moderna's vaccines if they are granted emergency use authorization, like we talked about. And to make sure that the vaccine is kept at the right temperature while being shipped, Pfizer, they've created these special thermal containers that'll maintain this ultra cold interior temperature for 15 days. So pretty exciting.
So, Dr. Nandi, we're hearing it's possible that the FDA Advisory Committee could potentially approve Pfizer's vaccine by December 10th. And if so, who would be the first in line to get it?
Can you believe it? It's just right around the corner to me. Yeah, if all goes well, it's possible that the state of Michigan could start receiving Pfizer's vaccine by December 12th. To me, that's right around the corner, right? Michigan is expecting to get several 100,000 doses before the end of the year, which to me is a great start. But regardless of when it arrives, Henry Ford has said that they'll be prioritizing their frontline team workers, right? We need to keep our frontline workers healthy, right? Because they're the ones who are going to continue to help all the patients who are sick and hospitalized. The next group to be vaccinated are the most vulnerable patients, like folks also who live at nursing facilities, nursing home facilities, anyone who has underlying health conditions. The general public likely will get it last, and we'll start getting vaccinated likely in closer to spring.
So here's what a lot of people are concerned about, Doc, that the side effects from the COVID vaccine shots won't be a walk in the park. That's what we're hearing. What does that mean?
That's a fair question, right? Everybody's really scared. Am I going to get some horrible thing from this vaccine? So, and I've talked about some of the side effects before. You know that the companies have reported from their clinical trials, and I trust them, that how most participants tolerated the shots fairly well. But experts, right, that attended a CDC meeting said that people need to be prepared for potentially unpleasant side effects. Right now, this is not to scare some folks, but you got to be real sometimes. Getting COVID is much worse, especially for our vulnerable population. But we should be prepared that if you get vaccinated, you could get, feel under the weather, because some people have reported body aches, fevers, headaches, and day-long exhaustion. But, I'll tell you that some of these things can be intense, but overall, when you look at most of these people that are in the trials, they tolerate it very well. So I'm excited. When the vaccine is available, I will be sure to take it because I trust what's going on and I trust the FDA.
All right, Dr. Nandi, and we'll be watching you very closely when you do.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much. If you have a coronavirus question or any question, send it to us. Email Dr. Nandi at askdrnandi.com, and we'll get it right to him. Alan.
Well, some exciting